Your car's brain is having a serious disagreement with its own math, and it could lead to a total engine shutdown if you do not pay attention. When a P061D code is stored, it means the powertrain control module has detected an internal performance error, specifically in the way it monitors the engine air mass. This is a severe internal processor code that usually applies to vehicles like Ford, Mazda and Chevrolet, and it means the computer is seeing a massive discrepancy between what it expects the airflow to be and what the mass airflow sensor is actually reporting. The computer constantly runs self-tests to make sure its calculations for fuel delivery and ignition timing are perfect, but if it detects an error that exceeds its safety threshold, it will trigger the check engine light and potentially cause a total loss of power. You might experience a scary stumble when you try to accelerate, or even a full engine misfire that makes the whole car shake while your fuel economy goes right out the window. The most common causes include a defective mass airflow sensor or a connector that has become corroded and is sending a fuzzy signal to the computer. However, because this is an internal module code, it can also mean the powertrain control module itself is failing or has a software glitch that needs to be reprogrammed. To start your troubleshooting, you must first fix any other codes for the mass airflow sensor or the throttle position sensor, because those are the primary inputs for this calculation. You should use a digital multimeter to check the grounds for the computer and the sensor, because a weak ground is a famous cause for these weird internal errors. Use your scanner to watch the live data for the mass airflow sensor and make sure the numbers climb smoothly as you rev the engine. If you find any signs of water damage or heat damage on the computer case itself, you are likely looking at a hardware failure. Diagnosing this is a major challenge even for the pros, because if the module is truly defective, it will require specialized equipment to program the new one to your specific vehicle identification number. You should absolutely visit a dealership or a high-end diagnostic shop if the basic sensor checks do not solve the issue, because you do not want to guess when it comes to the main computer. Keeping your sensors clean and your electrical connections tight is the best way to prevent these complicated brain errors and keep your car running strong for the long haul.